In this video, I want to go over setting up your digital wallet. And in this case, we're going to use MetaMask, which is probably the most popular one. But you also have Coinbase wallets and a bunch of other wallets. Before we even set up the MetaMask wallet, I would definitely recommend to have at least 2 MetaMask wallets and make sure they're set up on 2 different browsers. This will be another safety feature while you're trading because there are different websites, not all of them are secure, and there are many scams in the space, and you can have just one burner wallet that you can do your degenerate trading, and you can have another wallet. Now let's go through all the steps. First of all, you go to the MetaMask website and make sure you write it correctly. It's metamask.io, and then you just click download. And in this case, I'm going to use it for Firefox. So I'm going to install it on my Firefox. It sends me to the browser add-ons and I just add it to Firefox. I follow the steps, I click add and I wait a little bit. And here on the right corner on top, you're going to see this little orange foxy, which is the trademark of MetaMask. And then you click OK. And this will be your setup window. So now we are starting with a brand new fresh wallet and we just click start. And here it asks you, are you new to MetaMask or do you already have a MetaMask and you want to recover it? So in this case, we are going to go with create a new wallet. The first thing that you'll see that MetaMask asks you to help them improve. And I always click no thanks. And the next window you will see is to generate your password. You have a minimum of 8 characters that you need to put. I would advise to create a very strong password. As a basic rule of thumb in security in general, you should create a very strong password and obviously don't share it with absolutely anyone. So let's just type in a password. And the next step that you need to take is to set up your recovery secret phrase. There's a short video, but for now we're gonna skip it. And now you can see this window right here where you're going to be able to see your secret recovery phrase. That is super important part of the setup of any kind of wallet. This recovery phrase is basically your safe key. So you shouldn't save it anywhere on a digital device, not as a picture on your phone or somewhere on your computer. The 2 best ways to save those type of words is either by memorizing, which I believe it's kind of dangerous because you can forget. These are just 12 random words. And it's pretty easy to forget with time. And the second best way is to have it somewhere on a paper, so it's stored away from hackers. Yes, you have the real risk of someone coming into your place, robbing you, seeing this password and using it on a different device. But I believe nowadays this is a lot lower risk factor than if you have it stored on your computer and someone digitally can break into your computer and steal it. So let's reveal our recovery phrase, and this will be a burner wallet for me, and I just want to show you absolutely everything how it goes. So if I click here on review, you'll see all the words that are in my recovery phrase. So I will need to write those down somewhere. And once I have done this, then I can click next. And now MetaMask will ask me for confirmation. So I need to align all the words that are here into my secret recovery phrase the same way that they were originally arranged. Let me do this really quick for you. Here's the recovery phrase. Then I click confirm and congratulations. Pretty much that's everything. Now you have a little window that pops up and just gives you some explanations, and this is basically your wallet. And if you click on the icon right here on top, you will see this pop up, and every time you log into your browser you need to use your passcode to enter into MetaMask. And if we go, for example, to OpenSea right now, in order for us to buy or sell any kind of NFTs, I will need to go to this profile icon right here, and I just click on profile, and then it tells me how do I want to connect to OpenSea. So in this case, we're going to use MetaMask, but as you can see, there are other options too. So I click on MetaMask, and here's the window that it pops up. It asks me for connection to OpenSea, and you always have these prompts before you do any kind of purchases. And I click just next and connect. And now I will be connected to OpenSea, and this will be my profile where I'm going to see all the transactions and everything, and this is my wallet address and so on. As you can see, again, when I click on the icon here on the top right, this is basically the interface of my wallet. But let me just open the website interface so you can see it a little bit better. It's pretty much the same. So you can buy, send, swap your Ethereum, and in order to put some money into the account, you just need to go on any exchange, copy your account number, which is this one right here, and then you can send Ethereum or other currencies to your MetaMask. And that's everything for the setup of MetaMask.